video to show you how to export KML, KMZ files from Google Earth that you can then share. Here's an example where I have already loaded in some waypoint information and some tracks from a previous exercise. Now you can see over here on the left hand side when you're in Google Earth, you can see the Chicopee Recon is checked, which means that's an item that's being displayed. So if I uncheck that, you'll see it disappears. So let me check it again. Now if you notice, there's a little right arrow here next to it. If I click on that, it's going to open up some other items and show me exactly what's included in this Chicopee Recon. You can see there's markers, and if I uncheck those, some of the markers disappear. There's some points. Let's see. There's some paths in there. There's things I've labeled already. So all of these things can be turned on and off, including different tracks. The important thing when you're exporting that you actually make sure that you've selected what you want to export. Over here on the left hand side, you see it in the display. Then all you need to do is left mouse click on the top level folder, which in this case is Chicopee Recon, includes all of what you see over here. And then I right mouse click, and there's an item that says Save Place As. If I click on that, it's going to give a default name. I can change it. In this case, we'll call it Chicopee Recon space 2.kmz, and it defaults to KMZ files. And I'll go ahead and say save, and it's now saved that file and all the items with it. Now just to show you that it works, let me unselect the previous one, and I'm going to go ahead up here and say File, Open, and you can see here's the one we just exported, Recon 2. I'm going to double click on that, and you can see that it is now pulled it in. Zoom in a little bit, and it's down here in my temporary places because I just imported it. And if I open it up, you can see that I have all the original markers that were in the original Google Earth that had when I had selected. So it's basically saved everything, and I've imported everything, and now I can go in here and change it, change the labels, do whatever I want to with it within Google Earth. So anyways, hope that helps, and we'll talk to y'all later.